If you are about to pay your $150 annual fee for the Amex Green Card this month, stop. You might be walking into a trap. Rumors of a massive refresh are leaking, and the new fee could hit $250. Here is what we know. Stop. Do not pay it yet. A major change is on the horizon. The ground beneath this card is shifting. We are getting reports, strong ones, from industry insiders and expert analysts. They all point to one thing. A massive overhaul is imminent, possibly landing as soon as 2026. We are talking about changes that could double your annual fee. Paying that fee now, without knowing what's next, could be a serious financial misstep. This is a direct warning. We are sounding the alarm. Stay with us. The details matter. The rumor mill, a tsunami of change. These are leaks and expert analysis, not an official Amex announcement. Sources are strong, predictions consistent. Central claim, a staggering fee increase. Industry experts put the new annual fee between $295 and $350. That's up from $150 today, which itself rose from $95 in 2019. The strategy fits Amex's recent history, repositioning green to slot between gold and platinum. New benefits aim to attract higher-spending travelers. Headline rumor, 4x membership rewards on travel and transit, flights, hotels, rideshares, subways, trains, ferries. Trade-off, dining could drop to 1x, though some sources say it might stay at 2x. Real justification may be via statement credits. Leak 1, a full clear credit, about $189 per year. Leak 2, a $200 Resy dining credit. If fully utilized, these credits could offset a higher fee, but monthly caps and restrictions can limit real value. What's lost? The $100 Lounge Buddy credit is already gone. That perk covered pay-per-use lounge visits. Industry watchers see this as a refresh signal. Together, the clues form a clear picture. Your wallet is on the line. This isn't just blog chatter. Amex CEO Steve Squeri confirms more refreshes are coming. Product evolution is accelerating, not slowing. Reporting indicates fee hikes and benefit changes are in the pipeline. Nothing is guaranteed for the green card. Squeri's logic: refreshes drive demand. They drive awareness and engagement. Each refresh becomes a media event. Platinum and gold saw application and spend surges despite fee hikes. It's been years since green's last overhaul. Competitors are aggressive. This is a calculated, top-down strategy. Treat your Amex relationship as dynamic, not static. Do not blindly pay your annual fee. The ground is moving. Keep your footing with facts. What we might gain, what we've lost. Amex already stripped the $100 Lounge Buddy credit. That was useful for pay-per-use lounge access. It mirrors Amex's pre-refresh playbook. Likely addition, a full clear credit, a $189, aligns green with platinum-style tangible value, plus a rumored $200 Resy credit. Great for frequent diners, especially in Resy cities. It deepens lock-in to the Amex ecosystem, but monthly caps and rules can clip real-world value. Often less flexible than simple cashback equivalents. Some strong traveler value if you actually use them. Battle of mid-tier cards. A higher fee thrusts green into premium mid-tier territory. Primary adversaries: Chase Sapphire Preferred and Wells Fargo Autograph Journey. CSP, the longtime starter card. $95 fee, strong transfers, $50 hotel credit, solid protections. Ultimate rewards, flexible and valuable. Rumored green, 4x on travel and transit, plus statement credits like Clear and Resy. Autograph Journey, newer entrant, clean app, solid travel, dining earnings, competitive fee. Strength is simplicity, good value without hoops. The philosophical split, curated credits versus flexible rewards. Green's value hinges on using specific credits. CSP counters with lower fee and broader flexibility. Autograph Journey, straightforward, broad rewards. So the question is simple: curated Amex perks or flexible do-it-yourself value? To justify a $250 fee, you need to spend at least $3,000 on transit annually. Let's do the math. Fast benchmark for a $250 scenario, about $3,000 in transit spend. Current fee is $150. Rumors point to $295, a $145 increase. Value points at 1 Cs each. 4X earns 144 cents per dollar, so you'd need about $3,625 in travel transit to break even on the increase via points alone. Below that, points won't cover the jump. Above it, 4X turns lucrative. Now add rumored credits. Clear, $180. Resy, $200, $380. If you'd pay for both anyway, the fee is covered and points become pure upside. But if you won't use Clear or Resy, those credits are worth zero to you. Don't count credits that don't replace planned spending. Before you panic and hit the cancel button when that $250 fee hits, try this strategy first. It is called the retention offer. Amex hates losing profitable customers, especially during a refresh when churn is high. So, before your renewal date, call the number on the back of your card, or use the chat feature in the app. Say this exact phrase: "I am thinking about closing my green card because the new annual fee is too high for the value I am getting." Do not say "close my account." Say "thinking about it." This often triggers their retention algorithm. They might offer you 10,000, 15,000, or even 20,000 membership rewards points just to keep the card open for another year. If they offer you 20,000 points, and we value those at 2 cents each, that is $400 in value. That completely wipes out the annual fee and puts you in profit. This is the hidden layer of the math equation. Always fish for a retention offer before you make your final decision. It takes 5 minutes and could save you hundreds of dollars. We upload new money hacks every Thursday. Subscribe so you don't miss the next travel loop. Actionable breakdowns, Amex Green Refresh 2026, Chase versus Amex 2026, and more. We cut through hype with math that protects your wallet. Join the CardVantage community for smarter decisions. Tap subscribe and keep your edge. So, what should you do? It depends on who you are and how you spend. Millennials in cities, heavy on transit and ride shares. 4X on transit is a massive win. Add a few trips, and you can clear the points, break even comfortably. If you also value Clear and can use a Resy credit, the value stacks fast. For that traveler, the refreshed green could be a top earner. Casual travelers with spend in groceries, gas, streaming, green likely won't fit. Low travel transit means 4X won't move the needle. Unused credits turn into dead weight on a higher fee. Be ready to cancel or downgrade if the leaks become reality. Cards rewarding your actual spend will do better for you. Right now, wait for official news before making a final move. Our call today. Because the final terms determine the value. Be honest about your lifestyle. Don't pay for benefits you won't use. This content is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Make decisions based on your own situation and research. Details of any potential refresh, including fees, benefits, and earning structures, are unconfirmed and subject to change. Your needs, habits, and financial situation are unique. Read official terms and consider professional advice. We will track Amex Green Refresh 2026 and bring updates as they happen. Subscribe for ongoing coverage.